How to set a cell to NaN in a pandas data frame. I'd like to replace bad values in a column of a data frame by NaNs. Though, the last line fails and throws a warning because it's working on a copy of df. So, what's the correct way to handle this? I've seen many solutions with illic or NaN, but here I need to use a Boolean condition.
Just use replace. What you're trying is called chain indexing. This URL. You can use lock to ensure you operate on the original df.
Most replies here above need to import an external module, import Numpy as np. There is a built-in solution into pandas itself, pd.na, to use like this.
While using replace seems to solve the problem, I would like to propose an alternative. Problem with mix of numeric and some string values in the column, not to have strings replaced with np.nan, but to make whole column proper. I would bet that original column most likely is of an object type. What you really need is to make it a numeric column. It will have proper type and would be quite faster, with all non-numeric values replaced by NaN. Thus, good conversion code would be: specify errors equals coerce to force strings that can't be parsed to a numeric value to become NaN. Column type would be
As of pandas 1.0.0, you no longer need to use NumPy to create null values in your data frame. Instead, you can just use pandas.na, which is of type pandas._libs.missing.natype, so it will be treated as null within the data frame but will not be null outside data frame context.
Isso vai estar sendo uma aventura sem consideração.